Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos to you guys. So what we've been working on today is a minibus. What we've installed is a dash cam, a reversing bleeper, as well as a reversing camera system. What we're going to do is just show you exactly what you're going to get if you're looking at a system like this. This system could be used in either motorhomes as well as other vehicles such as this sort of size. So this is a Peugeot Boxer. What we're going to do, we're going to show you the high-level brake light camera that we've chosen to go for on this particular system, and then we'll also show you the rear view monitor that we've got on the dashboard, and then talk you through a bit about the Dashcam solution as well. So if you want to step round to the rear of the vehicle. So we work on every sort of vehicle, whether it's supercars to classics to also commercial vehicles like this. So we've done this little video just to show you exactly what you'll be getting on a system like this. So up here what we have is the commercial Peugeot Boxer brake light camera. So if you own one of these, you'll know that there's a normal brake light there. That's been taken off and we've replaced it with this solution here. Really nice, still allows for full functionality of the light, but also you can adjust it through here to get the exact view that you want. This is perfect for if you're looking for a reversing camera rather than like a live feed. So we're going to step inside the vehicle now. So inside this vehicle, what we've got, we'll talk you through the Dashcam solution first, which is up at the top. The Dashcam here is the Thinkware Q800 Pro. Basically what that solution is, it's a 2K image quality from the front camera, a really nice solution. That all backs up onto a 32GB SD card which comes sort of within the kit. Allows functionality of Wi-Fi as well, so it creates its own little Wi-Fi bubble, allows you to connect up to it, view all your footage straight from your phone, and also email it across to your insurance company, for instance, straight from there. The box here comes with extra sticky pads as well as SD card converters as well, so to pop them easily into your laptop, which is really nice. So what we've also got here is a 7-inch monitor gone onto the dashboard. This is this is all for using on the reversing camera, so it stays blank, but then when you select reverse, it pops through up onto the screen, and you can hear at the back the reversing bleeper. GPS connected. So it's a really clear image. You can see the back of the vehicle here, so you can see exactly where you're backing up to stuff, and then when you come out of reverse, the screen goes blank. So it's not obtrusive at all, just sits there out of the way. Main thing is, from your driver's view, there's no visible cables, you can't see anything at all. The only thing is you can see from the driver's view is a very small cable coming down here, but behind the actual dash camera sits flush against the windscreen, so it's not in the way of, and it hides all nicely behind the mirror. So this is just an example of what we can carry out on this particular vehicle. We do loads of other solutions, so if you're looking for something a little bit different to this, feel free to get in touch with us. All our work gets carried out in our bespoke workshop facilities in Cambridge. So for more details, our phone number's 01223 56 30 30. I'll drop all the links below so you've got everything you need. But this is a Peugeot Boxer. We've added a Thinkware Q800 Pro dash camera, a reversing camera, as well as a reversing audible tone. So for more details, get in touch with us. Our team are more than happy to help. Thank you very much for watching.